Hello, Velvet.
Yes.
I need your help.
Welcome, Loyalty Squad. This is the Velvetlox coming back to you this morning with a wonderful video. Now, I'm going to be showing you what I eat in the day and the kind of meals that you can prepare, that you can eat while you are on your weight loss journey. So this is another one of those type of videos for you guys, okay? You guys seem to love that, so I'm bringing it again. This morning, I decided for breakfast, I wanted my smoothie. I saw some things in the frozen section that you guys can purchase also. They have these wonderful smoothie pouches already pre-portioned. Now this is quinoa protein strength, and this is one of those blenders, okay? This comes with pineapple, bananas, mangoes, and quinoa. And it's pre-cut fruits and quinoa, okay? Now in that pouch came 4 of these little mini bags that's already pre-measured. Okay, so what we're going to be doing today is making the smoothie. So you're going to need your personal blender. I wanted some spinach, need my iron, so about a cup of spinach or so. And also I feel for some dates. Now dates are wonderful for making you go, so I'm just going to pop like 2 dates in my blender cup. Next I'm going to pour in one of these pouches of fruits. Okay, it's already frozen. If you choose, you want to put some ice to this, you can put some ice to it. Alright, so like I said, this has bananas, pineapples, mangoes, and lastly, it also comes with a pouch of quinoa. So I'm just going to pour that inside my cup as well. And this is another thing that you can actually put in your smoothie for fiber, to help fill you up even more, so this way you know you're not hungry. All right, now listen, this is an additional. I'm going to put my flaxseed, sunflower seed, and almond powder because I want that extra protein. And lastly, I'm going to put a cup of my almond breeze milk inside my cup. Okay, and now we're just going to blend this down. Fruits are nicely blended. Now it's time to have breakfast. Okay, so this morning I made my green tea with a lemon juice in there. So I'm going to drink this first, and then I'm going to have my wonderful quinoa protein smoothie. I'll join you in the next clip when it's time to make lunch. Now I'm going to prepare lunch. Now for lunch, we're going to also repeat the same process of our drinks, of our beverages. So for lunch, I made another green tea with lemon. All right, and this is a wonderful beverage to make before and after each meal. It's always good to digest your food with some nice warm green tea with lemon juice. This is a perfect way to start as well as end a meal. Next, we're going to be opening a can of tuna, preferably the tuna in the water. What I'm going to do is just put a little bit of my light mayonnaise, just about a teaspoon of mayonnaise, and I'm also going to add in some of my feta cheese. Okay, and I'm just going to sprinkle a little feta on top of that. And I'm just going to mash that together. Love me some feta. Now I'm just going to sprinkle a little black pepper in there. Okay, just a little. And I'm just going to squeeze a little lemon juice. And that's it. Now add in my whole wheat multi-grain bread. And I'm just going to put this on top of my bread. And there you have it. Lunch is ready. Now let me show you dinner. And there you go, you guys. This wonderful easy meal that you can create with just some fresh tilapia, okay, some mashed potatoes, and some mixed veggies. Okay, simple easy dinners you can easily make on days when you don't have that much time. Just sprinkle some lemon pepper and some butter, pop that in the oven, and you broil it until it's ready. Okay, so simple, you guys. So if you're looking for more healthy meal ideas, just thumbs up, give this video a like, and I got more meals coming your way. Alright, so thank you again for joining me on this wonderful video, and don't forget to like, comment, subscribe down below. Hit that notification bell, set it to all, so you will not miss another one of these wonderful meal ideas, okay? And until the next video, you guys, I will see you then. Welcome, YouTube family. This is the Velvetlox introducing to you my new channel, and this channel is called Velvet Vlogs. On this channel you will see hair videos, skincare videos, as well as family vlogs, okay? So check it out, go down below, click those links, and subscribe, as well as turn on your notification bell, and I will see you there.